Undercover as a sniper wolf content stealing thief, reacting with laughs, and that's it, with arguably the same reaction every time. Keep watching the video to see how it went. 2 days I have 0 followers, but 127 likes, with views not being so good.
And his name's John Cena. And his name's John.
The only video. I could say that video was actually pretty funny that I made. But I can't believe how this channel name was not already taken. Diamond Reacts. I will not be posting on this channel anymore because I'm not using these channels for clout or money or anything. Just simply to test out. You guys know I've done lots of undercover videos on my other channels. So this is so look at the views my first couple of videos got. Let me show you some of the videos already. Yeah, this video I didn't even talk at all.
I mean, it is real.
So video doesn't have as good quality as my normal videos. This wasn't supposed to be a full video. This was just supposed to be a quick video. I believe I forgot to post this masterpiece.
Dinner time.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
I should still get some.
No, you're not getting dinner.
I demand some.
You're bad.
It ain't like you Mother Teresa. So you could learn a thing or two from it, like feeding the hungry or forgiveness. Dinner time.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
Alright, I'm reposting.
I should still get some.
This video is actually hilarious. 127. I'm actually about to crash out.
Alright, we're out. Dinner time.
No, you're not getting
channel. These keep it lame.
dinner.
Wait. 30 minutes of helpless scrolling later. No way. Wait, unknown. I don't channel name unknown. Okay, here's Trio Clan, a little clan I created.
We did one film yesterday because it was late, and
oh yeah, I forgot about this account. So we did make a second account to go meet the theme.